All right, today we're doing the blower motor with the fins on it, replacement in a 2004 Chrysler Pacifica. I've already pulled the glove box out, which there's just two little things you push in on the sides, flips down, these little clips, pull that out. I've already unhooked your blower motor resistor, and here's your blower motor. I'm gonna go ahead, there's screws, bolts right here, or what have you. I'm gonna go ahead and get those first. I'm gonna unplug the battery and I'll get back at you guys here in a second. So 3/8 ratchet, or 3/8. Gonna go ahead and pull off the negative power, or the negative battery cable. Sorry, I'm in a little bit of a hurry. All right. So I'm going to pull this off real quick and I'll be back with you guys. All right, so I got the screws out, or the little bolts. I did need a 5/16, and you do need a 5/16 swivel or some sort of wobble extension or something for these back. Now I just have some clippers. I'm going to clip off this wire to get this out, and then I'll pull the bolts off of the fan. So pop this off. It was on like this over the top. This little bracket right here actually cracked when I was trying to get it out, but you just actually pop that out. I don't know, I'm gonna have to glue that shit. But now I got this little guy, and then I'll go ahead and pull these remaining screws. They're, I believe, the same size, the 5/16. All right, there was 3 screws that held it in. This little this little guy, it spins out of your way, so you can get to all 3 of the screws real easy. As you can see, this thing is pretty effed. Yeah. All right, time to put the new one in. Sorry, kind of a close up here. We got this cap back on. I had to snap in there. I'm about to pulled the wire through first, and I'm about to get that fitting in there like so, and just pop it through, and then get these bolts here lined up. I'll get back from a little bit further, but these just lined up like that, and we'll put the bottom piece back on that we had to remove to get these back bolts out. Well, I thought I had to remove and take the back bolts out, but I didn't. So all right, so just finishing up. So here's your little, so this piece I did take off. You don't have to. I did because I thought I was trying to get that back bolt until I went out and purchased a swivel wherever it is, and that's the only thing that saved me. This guy right here was the only way I was able to get that out, as I mentioned earlier. But yep, then you just hook up back these 2 guys. Make sure this guy is hooked up here in the back. Hook up your battery, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day, and yeah, stay back, stay bearded. Peace out, homies.